on here? It looks like they're sleeping.
Wake up!
No!
Okay, you guys are in the napping house.
Oh!
Look, that's why you're all napping. Oh, you all look very, very sleepy. Good. Okay, do you like stories?
Yes!
Okay, we're going to tell a story about a house, everyone.
A house.
Okay? And in this house, there is a grandma.
In the house, there's a grandma.
Everyone, a grandma.
A grandma.
Who wants to be the grandma?
Me. I want to be the grandma.
Okay, here you go.
Thank
There
you.
you are. And there's a little boy. Who wants to be the little boy?
I want to be the little boy.
Okay, you're the little boy. And there's a dog. Who wants to be the dog?
I want to be the dog.
Okay. And there's a sleeping cat. Who wants to be the sleeping? Everyone, sleeping
cat.
Sleeping cat.
Who wants to be the sleeping cat?
I want to be the sleeping cat.
And there's a little brown mouse.
A little brown mouse.
Who wants to be the little brown mouse?
I want to be the little
Oh,
brown mouse.
there you go. And there's a, wait.
Oh, it's itchy.
There's a flea. Who wants to be the flea?
I want to be the flea.
Okay, Olivia, if you insist. Okay, as I tell the story, you have to remember who you are, and you go put that person on the bed. Okay? Got it? And are they going to lay on the bed out like this, or on top of each other?
On
top of each other.
Okay, good. Here we go. So, Anna, you are the?
Grandma.
Okay.
I am the grandma.
I am the cat. I am the dog.
I am the flea.
Oh, no.
I am the brown mouse.
Okay,
I am the little boy.
good. Okay, here we go. There is a house.
There is
a house.
A napping house.
A napping house.
Where
Where
everyone
everyone
is sleeping.
is sleeping.
And in the house,
And in the house,
there is a bed.
there is a bed.
A big bed.
A big bed.
Where
Where
everyone
everyone
is sleeping.
is sleeping.
And on the bed,
And on the bed,
there is a grandma.
me.
A snoring grandma. Everyone.
A snoring grandma.
In a napping house.
In a napping house.
Where everyone
Where everyone
is sleeping.
is sleeping.
And on the grandma,
And on the grandma,
there is a little boy.
there is a little boy
Who is sleeping.
who is sleeping.
Who is sleeping.
Who is sleeping.
Clemence, the boy is sleeping.
Oh.
Ah, good. Who is sleeping. On a snoring grandma.
On a snoring grandma.
On a bed.
On a bed.
In the napping house.
In the napping house.
There is a
Dog.
dog. A big dog. Everyone.
A big dog.
On a little boy.
On a little boy.
On a snoring grandma.
On a snoring grandma.
On a big bed.
On a big bed.
In the napping house.
In the napping house.
Where
Where
everyone
everyone
is sleeping.
is sleeping.
And there was a cat. A sleeping cat.
A sleeping cat.
On a big dog.
On a big dog.
On a little boy.
On a little boy.
On a snoring grandma.
On a snoring grandma.
In a big bed.
In a big big bed.
In the napping house.
In the napping house.
Where
Where
everyone is
sleeping.
Good. There was a little brown mouse
A little brown mouse.
on a sleeping cat.
On a sleeping cat.
On a big dog.
On a big dog.
On a little boy.
On a little boy.
On a snoring grandma.
On a snoring grandma.
In a big bed.
In a big bed.
In a napping house.
In a napping house.
Where
Where
everyone
everyone
is
is sleeping.
Good. Everyone. Uh-oh. Oh, it's itching. Oh, there was a flea. Everyone, a flea. A fighting flea. Fight. A biting flea. On a little brown mouse. Oh no.
Oh no.
What happened? A biting flea on a little brown mouse. It bites.
It bites.
It bites.
So the biting flea
The biting flea
bites the mouse,
bites the mouse.
who jumps,
Who jumps.
who scares the cat,
Scares the cat.
who scratches the dog,
Scratches the dog.
who jumps up,
Who jumps up.
who wakes the little boy,
Who wakes the little boy.
who bounces on the grandma,
Who bounces on the grandma.
who falls off the bed
Who falls off the bed.
in a napping house
In a napping house.
where no one
Where no one
is sleeping.